Welcome back guys to another video. Today I'm going to play Jailbreak. Again. In my next video, I might be doing Arsenal, okay? Anyway. Just need a key card. Please. Please. What the hell? How? I clearly killed him. Oh, I need a key card, please. Please. But anyway, I'm going to head to the escape place. This cop doesn't catch me. Ooh. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and escape. Yeah, I'm just going this way. Oh, no. Haha. Anyway, I guess I'll just have to do something. I need to run. Hacks. Tapper. Anyway, I don't care about that guy, I'm just going to kill him. What's his name? Anyway. Today I will be trying to rob the bank without a keycard, which I already know a glitch. Come on. And I already know a glitch to get out of prison. It would work. Just need the key. Yes, bank's open. I just need to escape. Come on. I need a key card, please. Please, God, help me. Bruh, I need a key. Anyway, I'm just going to go and escape. The old-fashioned way. Alright, go. Gonna have to spawn and vote by. Wait. Here. Alright, off we go. Alright, now we need some guns. Zero rockets. Guess I'll just have to buy some. Come on, do the vote glitch. Vote by glitch. Bruh. Well, I'm just going to lock it. I wish they didn't refund the blade. Well, then I wouldn't be using my vote bike now. Alright, let's see if the bank is still open. Alright, I hope it is. Cops. Here, maybe? No, don't think so. Now, if you want to do this glitch, you need a shotgun and first person. You look up, you keep doing that. You just keep walking forward and moving your cameras from side to side. And then if it doesn't work, you'll need to go on computer and then press A or D or both, and then that should work. If it doesn't work, go back like that. Back on. Same thing. Please don't tell me I see my bandit. Well, fixed it. If he did, then we won't be able to do this glitch. When I've done this glitch with you many times, Bank. Work with me. Alright, yeah, I'm just going to do... Bruh, my game froze. And the police is here. Oh, crap. Bruh, no, don't you dare, don't you dare, don't you dare. Oh. Yeah, I'm out of here. Criminal. I like it. Let me in. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Damn it, not this one. Crap. Okay, good. He's got a gun. Okay, he's in. Alright, good. Okay, thank you. I was about to say. Oh, I know what they're doing. I've done this before when I'm cop. Let me out. Bro, let me out. Alright, I'm out. No, how? No, come on, vote bike. Thank you. Oh, God. Thank you. Now I'll need a jetpack, I guess. Oh no, please don't kill me. Please. Oh wait, no, that's not. He just arrested those people. Good. He was a hacker. I hate hackers so bad. Come on, vote back, don't fail on me now. No! Well, at least I didn't go all the way down. That's the good thing. Not too bad. Anyway, back to the vault bike. I'm going to have to end up the video soon, guys. Holy crap, that's a lot of criminals. If someone arrests all of us, I'm going to be so surprised. There. Nope. Who was shooting me? Literally. Oh crap. Wait for me, guys, wait for me! Damn it. Well, I'm gone. I don't want to get arrested. I'm going to the museum, guys. I'm going to the museum. But camping cop, maybe? Oh, did I saw a camping cop? Anyway, I'm gonna have to end up the video here, guys. Be sure to press that like button and comment down below. See you guys in the next video. Bye!